Yalla. Over here working on the Danger Ranger with Jeff. I'm just helping, watching Jeff. We got a brand, first time I ever used these copper nickel coated brake lines.
Yeah.
Something like that. DD Speed Shop always uses them. You can bend them with your hands, no problem. So we're going to use that to replace this front brake line here that blew out today on the farm truck. We're going to try to do it, we're going to put it in there. It ain't going to be the way it came out of there, because that was a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it'll be good though.
It's going to work.
It'll be fantastic.
Joyful time.
I don't know which side's better. The longer one?
Probably put the longer one that way, I would think. Because I had the shorter one when I took mine out on this side.
What should I do? Is bring it up to you and then you kind of put a little bend on it?
Yeah, if you can try to
kind of look, see, kind of. Or maybe want to just go.
Oh, that was my eye.
Did I get you?
No, almost. Don't hit the bar.
Yeah, see, that's the only thing. It's nice to go back because then it has less bend, but we could probably just bend it right around. Or find like a pipe or something. Put like a shepherd's hook on it.
Yeah, it seemed like, or just take a wrench, put over here and just bend it that way.
Right, I don't know how. Does it kink easy?
He said he couldn't kink it.
Oh, I thought
No, kink it. He was trying to kink the line, but he couldn't kink it. This new stuff, the other stuff, you can kink that real easy, that old brake line.
We didn't even take the clip off, right? Or did we? Oh. Should work just like that.
Why'd you see if you can get that bleeder loose like the other line tightened up on the wheel cylinder? Should be a bleeder back here.
Oh, yeah, right here. Put that rubber.
Yeah, see if that will come loose. Otherwise, I have to do it some other way.
You gotta turn it?
Yeah, I'd use a wrench. Because that's how you push the pedal down, squirt the fluid out, then I shut it, and then you let go of the pedal.
Oh, okay.
Delete the brakes.
Yeah.
So you just press the pedal down and then hold it till I tell you.
Press it in, hold it.
Yep.
Ready?
Let go. Press it. 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 How's it feel?
Yeah, it's stiffening up.
It feel pretty good. Let go. Try it.
Oh, no, yeah, no.
Okay, we'll do it one more time. Press it. Let go. I think we got it. I'll check for a leak. Nothing fresh there. Let's figure out what you want to do with your cruise control thing down there.
You're gonna black some tire.
Yeah, you don't use the AC, do you?
No.
Are you gonna use it, or?
No, I
I mean, we can fill it sometimes.
don't fill it.
We could fill it sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Or what is that? Just,
This is your cruise control.
I don't have.
Does it have cruise control?
No.
Okay, well, that's that.
Or
It
what?
looks like a cruise control box. We can just zip tie it to the.
Yeah.
We can just zip tie it to the air conditioner line.
Yeah.
Maybe it has something to do with vacuum.
Yeah. Probably something.
I just pulled on it, and I pulled one line, and I got to find another line to plug back into. Right here. There you go. That's as much line as you got.
That's it.
If you pull too tight much on it, then the line falls off.
Gotta get this started. Good down there.
Yeah, right there.
Good luck.
You pull it too tight, then we'll You put that inner fender back in? Or? The whole brake line took us 7 minutes so far. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, actual time?
Yeah, actual time.
Yeah.
Took us longer to get the old one off and go to town and get it.
There it is.
Mm-hmm. Good job for the picnic table. Leave some ruts in there.
Yeah, rip the new line off. Oh, I tucked it up there pretty good. It might
That's
just
good.
stay right back in the
Reaches, it would be Royce Lewis.
I wanted to get I'm gonna try and get it a little bit wider. I have that little walk bicycle that might work for like first pass and then
Then bring the lawnmower.
yeah.